Hi, my name is Shaheen Gadri, and in this short video I will compare various stages of a call when it's made from a cell phone to a landline. Firstly, I will explain how a call made from a landline to another landline. Then I will talk briefly about calls from a cell phone to another cell phone, and finally I will explain how it's made possible to call from a cellular phone to a landline. So, how the landline calls are made? Fixed line telephony is where calls are made from one CLI to another. The call signal is transferred from a copper wire underground or overhead and routed through an exchange. For example, Alan wants to call from his workplace using his telephone to his friend's house John. He's gonna pick up the phone and dial the number. The call will go to his local exchange. By looking at the number, they will understand that the call should be going to the location where John's house is. So the call will go out onto the local network and then makes its way to local exchange near John's house, and from the local exchange the call will be transferred to John's house. Now we are going to look at how mobile calls are transferred. Mobile phone operates by sending frequency to a base station. Each base station provides coverage to a local area. Depending on the population of the area, these base stations can cover from as low as 500 meters to as far as 30 kilometers in range. If a person moves out of one area to another, a signal will be sent from the phone to the nearest base station, informing them that the user is there. Therefore, the network will always know where you are. To provide coverage, the cellular towers are designed to overlap. These towers are linked to a switch box. The cellular operator will often have multiple cell switches that control the connected cell sites, log all billing information, and contain current information of all subscribers and calls. Now let's look at the scenario where Alan is moving in his car and wants to call John's cell phone. Although Alan has not dialed any number, the base station has picked up his signal and the network knows where he is located. When Alan dials John's number, the signal that is originated at Alan's cell phone will be sent to the strongest cell site and passed to the switch. The switch then transfers the signal to the cell tower that has the location of John's cell phone. The switch from the cellular company is also connected to the landline telephone local exchange, or PSTN, through a gateway. If Alan happens to be dialing John's landline phone number, the signal from Alan's cell phone will be sent to the strongest cell site and passed to the switch. It then transfers the signal to the PSTN local exchange and onto John's LAN telephone line. This short video was made to present what happens when someone calls from a cell phone to a landline. Thanks for your attention and bye bye.